To remove a conveyor, press the red E-stop button on the top of the system to remove power from the motors and reject device. Remove the conveyor guarding as required and set aside. Unplug the quick release connector from the frame by twisting the connector head a quarter turn counterclockwise. Lift the conveyor off of the Checkweigher frame and set it on a clean work surface. Pop up the in-feed roller and remove from the conveyor by sliding it off of the pivot or locating pins and out from the side of the belt. The belt may now be removed by sliding it off of the assembly. The conveyor and belting are now open and accessible for easy cleaning. To reassemble the conveyor, slide the belt back onto the assembly. Slip the in-feed roller through the belt and clip it back onto the locating pins. Pull the in-feed roller back and snap into place so it is level with the conveyor. Slot the conveyor back into the Checkweigher frame. Detension and align the belt as needed. Plug the connector back into the frame and twist it a quarter turn clockwise.